Got the maths on. Oh my goodness. I haven't been on YouTube short stream for a while. Let's get this maths homework done. Let's get some Christmas music. Go. Go Marcus, I'm going to do some math revision. If you know that math revision. Let's get the pen out. Wrong pen. Oh, I can go blue. I'll go blue. How is it early for Christmas music? I've been having Christmas music for ages. Okay. Let's start a smash hour. Rose with flowers of holly, rocking around. I'm playing on FL Studios. Oh, nice. I want FL Studios. How much is FL Studios? Oh yeah, by the way, Marcus, I'm nearly finished Red Dead Redemption, I think. And then I'm going to play Red Dead Redemption 1. Buy for 150. I swear you can get it cheaper. Oh snap. Oh my goodness, I just dropped my mouse. Good job. It still works. Red Dead Redemption is actually such a good game. Like, I don't know why no one really talks about the first one. I guess it's not as good as the second one. But like, surely you have to play the first one. Like, I'm gonna try it out, see how good it is. Ensembles, nice. I was gonna think about getting FL Studios, but then the price got me. Isn't it a subscription, or is it not? Is it a one-time payment? Have you played the first one, Marcus? Okay. Cot squared X. Okay, my laptop is covering up my formula sheet. Cot or snap. Good. Hello, someone's watching from New Zealand. Never been to New Zealand, but my parents have. How is New Zealand right now? What time is it in New Zealand? Bro, this thing needs to stay out. I need to get some blue tab. We're actually going to be some maths work right now. Okay, cot squared X is also 1 over tan squared X. And we've got to integrate this. So, cot squared X, that can also be written as cos X squared minus 1. Oh snap, it's in the morning for New Zealand, of course. Cosec squared x minus 1. And then if we integrate that, cosec squared minus cosec squared equals cot, so that will equal minus cot x, and then integrate the 1 minus x plus c. There we go, first one complete. Okay, let's see if what people think. Do you think it's too early for Christmas music, or do you think it's just the right time? I think it's just the right time. Let's go, Joanne Hutchinson saying we are so stupid. Thank you for the comment. Cos squared x can be written as can be also written as half cos 2x minus a half. Then if we integrate that, we will get a quarter. We'll get a quarter sine 2x minus x over 2 plus c. Oh, you got flashcards for the topic. I didn't even know people use flashcards for maths. Never heard about that. Oh snap, no, is this pen going through the paper? Okay, probably shouldn't be using a whiteboard marker. I'll be using this green pen. Okay. C. Sine 2x cos 2x. So, sine 2x can also be written as... Yeah, there's so many formulas you need to learn. Wait, do you get given them in the exam or not? I don't know. I think some of them you have to remember. But... Okay. Sine 2x and cos 2x. That can also be written as sine squared x can also be written as... Wait, no. Wait, did I do that squared? No, it's just 2x. So... I could just integrate that, surely. I don't know. 6. Oh no, it's going to be 6-7, bro. Oh! Hello, Riley. Welcome to the chat. Okay, does anyone know what sine 2x times cos 2x integrated equals? So I'm thinking that we find... I don't know if we can straight integrate that. I'm not sure if we can, but maybe we can. If we think about it. Cos 2x times cos 2x. We should probably change sine x. Sine 2x can equal to sine a times cos. I don't know. That's a hard one. I'm trying to think of what we could do. I think we should just change. I'm going to change cos 2x. I'm going to do sine 2x times 1 minus 2 sine squared x. And then we can do what, does everyone actually want to see my working? I don't think you guys want to see my working, bro. Maybe I should. Maybe I should pull up the thing. I could do the overview. That would be very studious. People can actually help me with the answer. But the problem is, if I show my face, then the screen is actually in the way. Wait, I could go onto OBS actually. Sigma means the sum of something in maths. Add a Q&A sticker. Best way to make a friend. Try. Okay. Done. Start Q&A. I don't know how that even works. But YouTube just told me to do that. Oh yeah, I should do it on Microsoft Paint. Let me go on OBS. But then I have to start streaming that. I don't know. It's supposed to be a low effort stream. Can everyone see the paper? So, doing some maths work, laddies. Let's see if a maths teacher might join to help. Oh no, this isn't the way. There we go. Okay. So I was thinking this. So we're on C, which was that. So then, why am I doing maths first? Because I've got. Okay. So we'll do sine 2x minus 2 sine cube 2x. I don't think that's right, but we can give that a try. I think I got that wrong. Okay. Wait. Come on. Gotta do this. How do we do this? Where's my phone? Oh, I'm streaming on my phone. Okay, let me go on ChatGPT to figure this out. I'm actually cheating. Okay, I need to find. Little hint, please. Maths GPT, come on. When you multiply sin, a handy trick, identity swoops in. So yeah, they did it we want. I don't know if they got that right. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. This is the question right here. Apparently, ChatGPT is saying that sine 2x times cos 2x equals half sine 4x. But I don't know if that's true. Is that true? How did you get that identity, ChatGPT? The identity comes straight from one of the big friendly trig formulas. The double angle formula identity for sine, it says sine 2a equals sine a cos a. If you shuffle a little bit around, it becomes the thing we need. Divide those things by 2. That's the whole trick. Now just let a equals 2x. I'll take its word for it. Hopefully this is right. Sine 2a equals 2 sine a cos a. Okay, now we just need to divide both sides by 2. Half sine 2a equals sine a cos a. Now the whole trick is just let a equal 2x. Half sine 4x equals sine 2x times cos 2x. Council today is very interesting, actually. Very debating. So we find that this equals half sine 4x. Therefore, let's integrate that, which will be quarter times. That is 8 sine. No, not sine. 8 minus cos 4x plus c. There we go. Maths is simple when you make it not complicated. I wonder if anyone's actually watching that is actually learning from this. Or hopefully someone joins this chat that is like really good at maths. Then they'll be booming. No, even with GPT, maths can be hard. Like, you still got to understand it, even if you still use ChatGPT. Okay, now number D. 1 plus sine x squared. Okay, let's integrate this. Okay, let's just times it out first. 1 sine x, 1 sine x, 1 sine x sine x sine squared x. It equals 1 plus 2 sine, no, 2 sine x plus sine squared x. This is fine, but this is not fine. Let's make sine squared x can equal half cos 2x minus cos x. Wait, let me think. Plus 1 or minus 1. No, let me just start this. Cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine x squared x. So divided by 2 makes half cos 2x equals 1 minus sine squared x. To get rid of that, we do minus that. So then it becomes plus 1 because we times everything by minus 1. So then that becomes that. So we add that to that, and then we plus the 1 to that one. So it goes 2 plus 2 sine x minus half cos 2x. And we still haven't integrated this yet. So let's integrate that. 2x plus 2 minus 2 cos x. And then cos becomes sine, but it's minus cos. And minus cos integrated, I think. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Does minus cos integrated equal positive sine? Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. He says yes, but with a tiny nuance. Think of sine and cos as two dancers chasing each other around a circle. When you differentiate or integrate, they swap roles, but a sine usually flips depending on which direction you're moving. Here's the key bit. The derivative of sine x is cos x. The derivative of cos x is sine x minus sine x. So if you integrate cos x, you get sine x because integration runs the derivative process backwards. But if you integrate minus cos x, you get minus sine x, derivative reversed. Where that is actually confusing. So integrating minus sine x will equal minus sine x. Okay, so it is sine x, but plus sine x plus c. There we go. Got there in the end. Our Christmas tree. Okay. Okay, let's go on to E and F. E is tan squared 3x. E is tan squared 3x. Tan squared 3x. How are we going to conquer this one now? Well, tan squared equals sec squared 3x minus 1. So we can do that. So integrate this. Sec squared is equal to tan x. So tan 3x minus x plus c. I think that is the right answer. But we'll find out. No, we'll find out when my teacher marks it. Don't think we'll find out now. Let's do cot x minus cosec x squared. A, B, C, D, E, F. Cot. Is it cot squared? Cot x minus cosec x squared. Can you guys hear the Christmas music? We gotta have the Christmas music. Okay. So let's times this out. Cot x minus cosec x cot x minus cosec x. So cot times cot is cot squared. I think I've done this one. That's cosec x cot cosec squared x, and then that for that. So then we get cot squared x plus cosec squared x minus 2 cosec x cot. And I figured out something here, but I can't remember. So cot is the inverse of tan, and that's the inverse of sine. So timesing them together, I remember we get something. No, let me look at the things. Cot and cosect, that equals cosect. cosec x. So that's something we need to consider. This cot squared can become something, can it not? No, it can't. Are you sure cot squared doesn't become something? Oh, it does. It does actually. Cot squared also equals cosec squared x minus 1 plus cosec squared x minus 2 cosec x cot x. Now let's integrate this. Let's see if anything cancels out. No, not to my knowledge. So then we can do cosec x also can be cosec x squared x can also equal minus cot x minus x and minus x minus cot x minus or plus. It would be plus 2 cosec x plus c, and that would be the answer. But because of that, we might want to simplify that to minus 2 cot x minus x plus 2 cosec x plus c. Just to clean it up a bit. There we go. Is anyone else doing A-level maths in the chat right now? Okay. Next question we're going to do is G. Sine x plus cos x squared. Can I remember that? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sine x plus cos x. Sine x plus cos x all squared. Okay, so I'll draw a line there. So, oh, sorry. Okay, so let's think about this. Let's time this out. See what we can get. Sine x cos x. Sine x cos x. Sine squared x. Sine x cos x. Sine x cos x. Cos squared x. Okay, so we get sine squared x plus cos squared x plus 2 sine x cos x. And what does this equal? This equals the double angle formula of sine 2x. But what is it? Cos squared x also equals, it also equals half cos 2x plus half. I think. Let's think about that. Should do. And then sine squared equals minus cos minus half cos x. Holly bears the drown of the sun and the running of the deer. La 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 la. The holly and the ivy. Okay, let's integrate this now. But actually, we can get rid of those two, and we can get half is 1. So sine 2x plus 1. Let's integrate that. That would equal half cos 2x minus plus x plus c. I hope so. Everyone get off their doom scrolling and do some maths. Oh, we're back. And we have a cup of tea and a jammy dodger. Okay. What's the last question? H sine squared x cos squared x. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Sine squared x cos squared x. This seems familiar. Okay. This seems familiar because we literally did the same thing here. So let's just copy that, I guess. But it doesn't seem right, does it? Cos 2x plus half plus half cos 2x. Oh no, because it's not plus, it's times. So that is the difference there. 2x plus half. Don't know if this is the way, but we're going to try this out. Then we times that all together. Let's see what we get. Oh, why are you doing such a small square? Big it up, big it up. Half cos 2x. Half minus half cos 2x and half. Times these together, we get... This is actually such a hard question, actually. This is going to take longer than I thought. And we might need some more paper from the book. From the maths revision book. Okay. Wait, let's actually think about this, lads. Let's actually think about this. I'm gonna do this on my drawing pad first, and then we're gonna figure it out. Okay. Oh snap. Okay. Okay, let's go pen out here. So sine squared x cos squared x, and these are timesing each other. Sine squared x is cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So half everything, cos 2x, half minus sine squared x. Sine squared x equals half. Take away half cos 2x. So we have that. Half so okay, so half, oh, this is the sine one, so let's do minus half cos 2x plus half. It's going to times half cos 2x plus half. Christmas comes this time of year. Merry Christmas. Yeah, it gets cold. You up inside. cos 2x. Timesing these together, we'll get minus 1, no, just minus cos squared 2x. And to this will equal cos 2x. This will be equals minus cos 2x. 2x, and that's equals 1. So in the end we get minus, no, this is not minus, so then they will cancel out. Get minus cos 2x plus cos 2x minus cos squared 2x plus 1. These two cancel out, and we're left with minus cos squared 2x. Let's keep that in brackets, plus 1. And let's integrate that. Oh, actually, we can't integrate that yet. We've got a squared. Let's get rid of that. So cos squared 2x. We can change this back into another thing. This, let's change that. That will become minus cos squared. Let's just forget about 2x. Let's keep that in the bracket. Pretend it's just an x equals minus half. So minus half. And then because this is minus, this will become a plus. And cos 2x will become minus as well. So it will become minus cos 4x minus half. And that's what this equals. So minus cos 4x minus half plus 1. And minus half will equal plus half minus cos 4x. But we've got to integrate that. Integrate this. Integrate that. Let's get this. This will then become a minus cos going into integration. It will come out as sine x. So it will become a quarter sine 4x plus x over 2 plus c. Okay, now I'll put that on my paper. So we figured out that this equals minus cos squared x squared 2x minus cos 2x plus cos 2x 1. And these cancel out. So then we're left with minus cos squared 2x plus 1. This becomes minus cos 4x minus half plus 1, which equals minus cos 4x plus half. Integrate that, becomes quarter sine 4x plus x over 2 plus c. Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day. So that's done that part. Now we got to move on to oh snap. Did I just rip that? Yes, I did. Oopsie. Okay, down one piece of paper. Onto the next piece of paper. Where's the other piece? That's it. We still need to do. Heavenly Father. Okay. Ouch. Okay, let's stick this in. Da, 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 da. I'm dreaming a white Christmas. So that's like all I used to know. Listen to hear sleigh bells. So we already know that equals something. Equals cos 4x plus 2 minus cos 2x minus cos 2x. So we get cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus 1. We can integrate this, but we cannot integrate that. That becomes minus cos 4x, no, plus half minus 2 cos 2x plus 1. Integrating this, we get. So actually first, cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x. And then we should do plus 1.5. Which equals sine 4x minus cos makes sine. So, because it's 2x, it will half those. So it would be plus sine 2x plus 1.5x plus c. Days be merry and bright. I'm back. I'm actually going to get rid of this. I can't be bothered to learn out maths right now. Oh, I forgot my tea. Got tea. Tea and Jammy Dodgers. Okay. And heaven and nature sing. Jamadoja. Mm. I love the nature room. Wonders of his love and wonders of his love. One over sine squared x times 1 over cos squared x equals cosec squared x times sec squared x. Okay, so cosec squared x times sec squared x equals that's a hard one, but let's break this down. Sec squared x can be also written as I don't know. I'm trying to think right now. Cosec squared x times sec squared x equals okay, let's use our trusty friend ChatGPT. Let's see what he has to say. Cosec squared integrated. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Okay. Window pane. I'm not gonna say 6-7. I just said it. Don't get that. Sad time of the year when the world falls in love. Every song seems to say Merry Christmas. May your dreams come true. It's summertime in quiet chimes. You and me. time of year when the world falls in love. Every song seems to say, Merry Christmas. Why did you divide by 2, not by 4 and not 2? In recorded time, you and yours, the same thing. Every dream come true. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus come tonight. Here goes Santa Claus. Here goes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Santa Blitzen, all his reindeer pulling all the rain. Hello, rain, shall I say it all be jolly and bright. So hang your up and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus coming tonight. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Bro, Riley, why didn't you just leave the stream? Just leave the stream. Oh snap. Oh snap. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen and blitzen and all his rain is falling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is jolly and bright. Just raise your hand and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus coming tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen and blitzen and all his rain is falling on the same. And all is falling right. Santa Claus coming tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Here comes the chimes ring out that it's Christmas time again. He's on earth to come to glory, we just follow the light. So let's get ready to love it well, 'cause Santa Claus coming tonight. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen and all his rain is falling on the rain. Tell the boys and follow the line. And say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus coming tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen and all his rain is falling on the rain. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is burning bright. Let's sucker and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus coming tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Carol angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the sky. The angelic hosts proclaim, Christ was born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Gloria, Gloria. Okay, let's evaluate. Okay, to show that question. So that means I have some advantage in some way or form. Sine squared x is also known as half minus half cos 2x. plus half.
Because I just know that stuff. I just know it.
Does equal See, I know I'm telling you the truth. I'm absolutely. Oh, see, got a bit of hair on the glue.
Nothing is that problematic, though. So that equals
Half. What are equals sine 2x
plus x over 2. And let's integrate that for the values of the bounds
pi 2 over pi 4.
And if we calculate that, we shall get the right answer. Now, where's my calculator? Here's my calculator. Sine 2 pi over 2 plus pi over 2 over 2. And there we get 2.214. Now we put in the 4 value. I really can't stay. It's cold outside. It's cold outside.
Been hoping that you dropping in.
I'm
hold your hands, they're just like ice. Beautiful.
2 plus pi.
Listen to the fireplace roar. Beautiful, please don't hurry.
No!
While I pour, baby, it's bad out there. No cabs to be had out there. Your eyes are like starlight now. I'll take your hat, your hair looks swell. Mind if I'm moving? What's the sense of hurting my pride? Baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold outside.
It's a quarter. It's a quarter sign. It's a quarter sign, lad.
Baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. How lucky that you dropped in. Look out the window at the storm. Gosh, your lips look delicious. Waves of gosh, your lips are delicious. Never such a before. Baby, you freeze out there. It's up to your knees out there. I thrill when you touch my hair. How can you do this thing to me? Think of my life once. If you got pneumonia and get over that old doubt. Baby, it's cold. Baby, it's cold outside.
Baby, it's cold outside. I really can't stay. Baby, it's cold outside. Call me. Ra-pa-pam-pam. Ra-pa-pam-pam. Came together. Ra-pa-pam-pam. Let's give together. Ra-pa-pam-pam. Oh. For the kings of Ra-pa-pam-pam. Ra-pa-pam-pam. But why is it minus? Why is it a minus?
Baby, take have no gift to bring. That's fit to give a king. Shall I pray for you? All night round. I played my drum. Adeste fideles, leti triumphantes, venite, venite, in Bethlehem.
Ciao.